Here is how I do brush swooshes. First, I center the petal so that I can do each side of the swoosh even. Then I make sure I have a good paint consistency and enough paint on my brush to complete the whole length of the petal. I place my forearm on my desk so it is stable and comfortable. And I plant my wrist in one place as it is not going to move for the whole swoosh. For each swoosh, I redip into the paint and get a good amount over the bristles. Again, lay my forearm flat and plant my wrist in place. This is where you pivot to create the swoosh, like you would if you were writing with a pencil. As I am right-handed, the left swoosh is almost a blind swoosh, but I find if I am centered, I can look under my thumb as I swoosh to see how close I am to the other swoosh, and adjust if needed. I pop any paint bubbles I see as I go along. I try to stay as close as I can to the previous swoosh. I will sometimes overlap it a bit to create consistency in the swoosh thicknesses. I always try to center the piece so I am working directly in front of me and not off to one side or another. This tends to help me stay centered. Again, laying my forearm on my desk and planting my wrist. The movement all comes from pivoting at the wrist and holding the paintbrush like you would a pencil. Some paint consistency is great out of the bottle, and some may need to be thinned out with a medium to get a nice smooth swoosh. Start with the brush tip on the canvas, then pressing it flat as you move down the swoosh. About halfway down, start lifting the brush to create a tapered tip. I hope you liked this video and it has helped break down the mystery of the swoosh. Thank you for watching.